Normalizing audio files in Brisk Audio. The Normalize tool in Brisk Audio helps you adjust the volume of your audio files to a consistent level. This prevents sudden changes in loudness between clips and ensures your audio meets professional standards. To begin, click on Levels in the left menu and select Normalize. At the top right, select a file from the dropdown or click Upload Audio File to load a file. On the Normalize page, you'll find several options for controlling how your audio is adjusted. Use peak level % to set the maximum allowed volume as a percentage. Use peak level dB to define the maximum allowed volume in decibels. Lower decibel values provide more headroom and help reduce the risk of distortion. Under Method, select how normalization is calculated, with options such as Simple Peak, RMS, or Perceived Loudness. Use a lower peak level in decibels if you want to leave more headroom for mastering or additional processing. For a more natural sound, choose RMS or Perceived Loudness rather than Simple Peak. The preset list has recommended settings for common scenarios. Select a preset and it will set the other parameters. Once you've set your preferences, click Normalize to apply the changes. Always preview your file to confirm that the normalization settings have the intended effect and that no unwanted artifacts were introduced. Click Download to save the normalized file to your device. For more Brisk audio tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.